This next one is another one from Rising. This is the story of the night before Colbert was to be executed. He was in his cell and he asked to see one of the other prisoners, the female prisoners, and he gave her some buttons from his uniform. And she was asking how he was, and he was like, "Oh, I'm proud to die for such a cause." And he said, "When you hear the shots tomorrow morning, will you say a Hail Mary for the souls of the departed?" And the soldier in the cell with them was moved to tears, and he said, "If only we could die such deaths." This is called If Only. Little country town just like yours, I was born cannon fodder for the war. I signed up just like my father had done before, back when there was something worth fighting for. Now my hands don't feel like mine, and my face has got new lines. Never thought before we met, if only I could die such a death. Well, I suppose that I was glad I wasn't sent to the front like my brother and my friends. I'd been jealous of the glories left to them, but where's the glory dying screaming in a trench? Now young hands shake like they're old, weary eyes show dying souls. Not for glory I regret, if only I could die such a death. When the order came to Ireland, I was bound to defeat your bold rebellion against the crown. I saw you with the white flag in your hand, I could have killed you on the spot but for the command. But for the command. Now the time has come to make your final stand, and I'll dry my tears and ask to shake your hand. And now I can see that we are much the same, though our causes have been given different names. Now my hands don't feel like mine,